Muriel.
Thank you po.
That reaches out for someone to hold. For a moment, they become my own. And I believe that in my life I will see hopelessness of giving up or suffering. If we all stand together this one time, then no one will get behind. Stand up for life. Stand up for
Good job.
Muriel, you gave me goosebumps. Partida pa, ninervous ka ng konti sa isang portion.
Oo, ninervyos ka ba? Natakot ka na nung
Opo,
pataas
sorry
na.
po.
Sabi nga ni Fredjo, pinubulo niya pang imported ang
Oo.
boses.
Ganda ng boses mo.
Thank you po. Thank
Ano pa kinakanta mong iba?
Mga Beyonce.
I'll go if I were a boy.
If I were a boy, even just for a day, I'd get out of bed in the morning and throw on what I wanted to know. If I were a boy, I think I could understand. Oh, how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man.
Okay.
Okay!
Ang linis ng diction mo. Very clear.
Oh, Muriel, yes na yes!
It's a big yes.
So we were really expecting na ang Cebu would have the best voices. Hindi mo pinahiya ang expectations namin. Congratulations, triple yes. Ito, sure na, see you sa semifinals.
Thank you.